I'm going to show you how to fix the delay in Parsec or the input latency. So the first thing you'll need to do is make sure you are using a wired internet connection on both sides for the host computer and the client connecting to the host. And the next thing you'll need to do is open up Parsec, go to the settings, and in the client tab, you want to scroll down and make sure to turn off vSync. You want to also disable vSync if you are using Parsec for a certain app that has vSync enabled, maybe a game or anything like that. You want to turn it off as well for the app or the game. And the next thing you can do is lower the resolution. So go to the host tab, and for the resolution, you want to basically choose a lower resolution. So if you're running 1920 by 1080 or using the same client or the host resolution, you want to try something lower, such as 1280 by 720, and also lower the frame rate. So if you set it to 60, try setting it to 30. Also in the host tab, try to change your bandwidth limit. So for example, if you have a high bandwidth limit, try to reduce that to 15 or 10, depending on which one is more stable. And the last thing you'll need to do is in the host tab, you want to scroll all the way down and then click on edit the configuration file directly. Now go to a new line and add this following settings, which is encoder underscore selection equals, and then the encoder type. So for hardware encoder, you use usually 1 or 2, where 1 is for NVIDIA GPUs and 2 for AMD, and the third is for Intel for integrated graphics, I think. So since I have a NVIDIA GPU, I'm going to set it to 1 and then save this setting, and then basically restart Parsec. So you can go to the taskbar here and right click and restart, or quit and rerun it as admin. And once the app restarts, you can try to connect and host again, and this should solve the problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.